Now let's come to the next question on parliamentary system. The next question is, which one of the following states of India does not have the legislative council so far, even though the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956 provides for it? The first option is Maharashtra, second option is Bihar, third option is Karnataka, fourth option is Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer to this question will be Madhya Pradesh. And Madhya Pradesh, though it has been provided by State Reorganization Commission, the State Reorganization Commission and States Reorganization Act 1956 itself provided a state legislative council to Madhya Pradesh, but Madhya Pradesh up to now has not established a legislative council. So this is the thing. The correct answer to this question will be Madhya Pradesh. As we know that the Indian parliamentary system is bicameral and federal. So it is federal in structure, having bicameral legislature. So at the state level also there are some states that have bicameral legislature. So the state legislatures also, there are some states. So some states have bicameral legislature. And this bicameral state legislature is comprised of Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. And the states such as under the Constitution of India, under the Constitution of India, there are 6 states, and these 6 states are UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So these are the states under the Constitution of India that have bicameral state legislature. So these are the states, these are the 6 states under the Constitution of India that have bicameral legislature. Apart from this, Jammu and Kashmir, earlier Jammu and Kashmir also had bicameral legislature, but it was under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, not the Constitution of India. So the bicameral legislature of Jammu and Kashmir was under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. So though the Jammu and Kashmir also had, when it was a state, now its status has been downgraded to a union territory, and it has been bifurcated into 2 union territories. But when it was a state, it had its own constitution because of its special status, and its bicameral legislature, that is Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council, consisting of Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council, was under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, not the Constitution of India. But apart from this, there are 6 states, other states according to the Constitution of India, that have bicameral legislature. One more thing that we have to know is that apart from this, Madhya Pradesh under the State Reorganization Act, these 5 states were given bicameral legislature by the Constitution itself. They have been mentioned in the Constitution itself. But when the Andhra Pradesh was divided, Andhra Pradesh had also a bicameral legislature. But when Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated into Telangana and Simandhra, so both of these, Telangana and Simandhra, both accepted to have bicameral legislature. So both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh also accepted to have bicameral legislature. And apart from this, Madhya Pradesh had also been given under the State Reorganization Act 1956 by the way of 7th Constitutional Amendment Act. Madhya Pradesh was also provided a bicameral legislature, but Madhya Pradesh has not established yet. One more thing that we have to know is that Tamil Nadu, there was a special resolution passed by the Tamil Nadu legislature, a resolution by special majority. So let me take a new slide, and then I will tell you what I am going to talk about. We are talking about the bicameral legislature at the state level. Bicameral legislature at the state level. So India being a federal polity, the union legislature, we have two legislature, union legislature and state legislature. So the state legislature, bicameral state legislature, we have there are some states that have bicameral state legislature. So under the Constitution of India, there are earlier there were five states that have bicameral legislature. These five states were first Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Apart from this, so these states, five states, had been given bicameral legislature by the way of in the Constitution of itself. But apart from this, in 2015, when Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated into Simandhra, or we can say residual Andhra Pradesh, Simandhra and Telangana. Both of these also agreed to have bicameral legislature, that is Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. So Simandhra and Telangana both will have a bicameral legislature. But recently there was a news that the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, that is Jagan Mohan Reddy, he and his cabinet decided that they want to abolish Legislative Council from the Andhra Pradesh. Abolish Legislative Council. So the cabinet of Jagan Mohan Reddy, the current Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, they were unanimous, or they requested, and they had a decision that they want to abolish Legislative Council in Andhra Pradesh, but nothing more to know about it, because no decision has been taken on yet by the Parliament or by the central government. But yes, Simandhra, that is after the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh, that is division of Andhra Pradesh into Simandhra and Telangana, both of these will also have bicameral legislature. So under the Constitution of India, there are earlier five, one more, that is Telangana. So there are 6 that have bicameral legislature. And now let's talk about one more thing, that is in 1956 itself, by the State Reorganization Act and by the way of 7th Constitutional Amendment Act itself, Madhya Pradesh was also given a bicameral legislature. But up to now, up to the present itself, Madhya Pradesh has not established Legislative Council. Apart from this, in 2009, the Tamil Nadu government also requested the Parliament to provide it bicameral legislature, and Parliament provided bicameral legislature. But Tamil Nadu government also up to now has not established Legislative Council. So these are the 2 states that despite that they have been provided a bicameral legislature, but they have not established Legislative Council in their respective states. Now let's talk about how legislative councils in a state can be created or abolished. So now let's talk about the abolition or creation of legislative councils in states. Abolition and creation of legislative councils. So state legislative councils. So now we have to talk about how a state legislative council can be created and how a state legislative council can be abolished. So let's first talk about the creation of state legislative councils. Creation of state legislative councils in a state. As we know that there are some states that have been originally also they have been provided by the Constitution itself. They have been provided bicameral legislature. So they have been provided a state legislative council. There are some states that have been provided by the State Reorganization Act or by the way of 7th Amendment Act. So some states, 5 states, they have legislative councils. They have been provided by the Constitution itself. One state, that is Telangana, after bifurcation. So it has been given bicameral, its legislature has become bicameral after a bifurcation from the Andhra Pradesh. Bifurcation after the division. Then apart from this, Madhya Pradesh has been provided state legislative council by the way of 7th Constitutional Amendment Act. Now suppose one more state, suppose this state X has unicameral legislature, and it wants to have a bicameral legislature. So how it can be done? So it has a unicameral legislature, it means it has a legislative assembly, but it wants to have a legislative council also. So a special resolution will be, so to establish a legislative council in this state, in the legislative assembly of the state X, this state X that want to have a legislative council, a special resolution will be passed. A resolution will be passed by special majority. So this is called a special resolution. A resolution will be passed. Resolution to this effect will be passed by special majority. That we want to have this state X in its legislative assembly will pass a resolution by special majority that it wants to have a legislative council. Special majority that it wants to establish a legislative council in the respective states, but the power to establish and to create and abolish legislative council is only vested with the parliament. So power has been vested with the parliament. So parliament can create a legislative council in a state, abolish a legislative council in a state by simple majority, by the way of amendment, but this amendment is done by simple majority. Though creation and abolition of legislative council requires a constitutional amendment, but this constitutional amendment can be done by the way of simple majority, that is more than 50% of the members present and voting. So what is the process? The process is that when a state legislative assembly passes a resolution by special majority and request the parliament to create or abolish also. So both the things, to create or to abolish a legislative council in that state, then the parliament by simple majority, so this is special majority, this is by the way of special majority, while parliament by simple majority can do an amendment to the constitution, and can create or abolish a legislative council in a state. So to create a legislative council or to abolish a legislative council, the state legislative assembly of the respective state, of the concerned state, will pass a resolution by the way of special majority, request the parliament to create or to abolish a legislative council in that concerned state. Then the parliament by the way of simple majority will do an amendment to the constitution, and this amendment can create or can abolish a legislative council of a particular state. So this is the this is the thing, that it means that the most important point that we have to remember is that with respect to the amendment of the constitution, there are some amendments, as we have discussed earlier also, there are some amendments to the constitution that can be done by the way of simple majority also, and one of these is the creation or abolition of legislative councils in a particular state. This can be done by simple majority in the parliament.